We are Solatube in Sweden and the Nordic countries. Let Solatube shine for 130 more years. Happy anniversary, Solatube.
Este Solatube Česká republika! Ahoj!
From Solatube, Spain, felicidades!
G'day from down under!
Happy birthday and thanks for brightening the lives of Australians for the past 30 years.
Here's to the next 30! We are Solatube in Hong Kong! Happy anniversary, Solatube!
We are Solatube in Vietnam.
Happy 30 years, Solatube, from Edgefield, Saudi Arabia.
Hi, we are from the Solatube family in Austria. Happy anniversary, Solatube! Cheers!
Solatube Switzerland wish you a happy anniversary, Solatube.
Hello, we are representing Noctur KFT, Solatube in Hungary.
Greetings to everyone.
We wish you a happy anniversary.
Hi, Solatube International Team. It's Fred representing GNC Singapore and Malaysia. We are pleased to celebrate with you Solatube's 30th anniversary this year.
Hi, Solatube Team. We Solatube in Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Armenia, and Kyrgyzstan. Congratulate on anniversary. Solatube is the sun, smiles, and health.
Hi, this is Subhash from Al Ansari Trading Enterprise, Oman. Wish you a very, very happy 30th anniversary, Solatube. I'm privileged to be associated with you guys. Keep innovating. You guys rock. Cheers.
Solatube in a new facility is a no-brainer. Allow us to help you achieve your green goals. Happy anniversary, Solatube.
We are Solatube New Zealand.
Solatube brings daylight in the darkest room.
Happy anniversary, Solatube!
Hi, we are Solatube Slovenia. Happy anniversary.
Everyone at the Techcom Light Group in the UK and the Benelux wishes Solatube a happy 30th anniversary!
Vanuit Nederland gefeliciteerd Solatube met zijn 30-jarige bestaan.
Toute l'équipe de Techcom Light de Belgique et de Luxembourg souhaite à Solatube un joyeux 30e anniversaire.
Hi, we're Solatube in Mexico and represent this great company in many Latin countries. We have been with Solatube for over 20 years, on which we have witnessed tremendous growth and incredible innovations.
We share your passion and we're very happy to celebrate this 30th anniversary with you all.
Felicidades!
Hello, this is Solatube Germany. We see us.
Hola, nosotros somos Solatube Argentina. ¡Feliz aniversario, Solatube!